Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to stop Snapchat from using your public content for generative AI. By default, Snap can use the public content you have shared like images, videos, audio and text from spotlights, public stories and Snap Map snaps to develop and improve its generative AI technology. This can help improve the quality and safety of its generative AI models for all Snapchatters. However, if you want to protect your public content and shield it from any misuse, you can choose to stop Snapchat from using your public content for generative AI. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the Snapchat app on your device, and then you have to hit the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down to the privacy control section and tap on generative AI settings. And finally, you have to disable the toggle located right next to allow user public content and you are all set. Going forward, Snap will no longer use your public content like your images and videos for generative AI. Later, if you ever happen to change your mind and allow Snap to use your public content, just return to the same setting and then re-enable this very toggle. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.